Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about how to change the chart style in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. First, if you're given data that looks similar with this one, where you didn't have to choose the proper chart style for your graph, then you've come to the right place. Now, to actually change the chart style, all we have to do is the following. Click on the graph that we have right now. In this case, we have this bar graph over here that signifies the electricity bill from January to December. Next, go to the chart design on the top portion of your Excel. Once you're in here, you should be able to see the chart styles group right in the middle, just located on the ribbons part of Excel. Now, we should be able to hover our mouse over the chart styles so we can have a preview on what it could look like once we finalize it. Let's try choosing one. This one right here seems nice enough for our graph. Now, to actually change the colors, we might not have the actual freedom to choose the colors themselves, but there are predetermined color schemes over here by going to the Change Colors button on the Chart Styles group. Now, just scroll down to whatever we want. I'm feeling a little blue. Might be great. And there we have it. This is how we change the chart style in Microsoft Excel.